Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to download ChatGPT on Android. Without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. ChatGPT or OpenAI is not available as app, so what we're going to do here is open our Google Chrome. After opening our Google Chrome, if you haven't logged in into ChatGPT, then you have to first log in into ChatGPT. After you have logged into ChatGPT, you'll be welcomed in the new chat page. After that, here you'll be able to see various options. On the top of the Google search bar, and right beside that, you'll be able to see three dots. Tap on the three dots. After tapping on the three dots, here you will be able to see various options such as new tab, downloads, bookmarks, and so on. Scroll down and you'll be able to see option add to home screen right between find in page and desktop site. Tap on the add to home screen. After that, here you will be said that add to home screen, you can get the icon of the ChatGPT and here you can type the name that you prefer for your ChatGPT. I will be typing ChatGPT itself. And after that, tap on add. Once again, here you'll be asked if you want to add the icon on your home page. Tap on add. And as you can see, the shortcut to ChatGPT has been added on home screen. Go back and the shortcut has been added. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.